Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner suddenly feels less powerful, airflow seems weaker, or the unit no longer feels as fresh as before, it may be time for a good cleaning. Sometimes dust slowly builds up without people realizing it, while other times airflow starts changing and strange smells begin showing up after regular use. Since portable air conditioners collect dust around filters, vents, and airflow sections over time, cleaning the unit properly can help improve performance and keep things running smoothly. The best part is that cleaning a DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner is usually much easier than expected once you know what areas to check. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to clean a DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner safely. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner before starting any cleaning. Step 2. Remove the filter from the DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner carefully. Step 3. Clean dust from the DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner filter and let it dry fully. Step 4. Wipe vents on the DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner if dust buildup appears. Step 5. Check the drainage section of the DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner for moisture buildup. Step 6. Reassemble the DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner and confirm airflow feels cleaner again.